In this short video, I'm going to show you how to apply transparency to background without affecting the text. First, let's have a look what we're trying to achieve. Imagine that we want to have a nice backdrop behind the text just like in the solution section. In order to highlight it more, we're going to see the usage of CSS opacity versus transparency using rgba in order to achieve this. Let's dive into VS Code to see the HTML and CSS for this. As always, I will make sure to share the link to GitHub repository in the description. Take a look at the CSS classes, opacity backdrop, and rgba backdrop. The background color set with rgba to rgba backdrop is the converted hex value of opacity backdrop class. With that, we can clearly see the behavior of them with the same color code. Here you can see that conversion in rgba-color-picker.com. And also note that both of them uses the same transparency of 0.4. So, as you can see in the problem section, I have used CSS opacity property for this. As a result, all of its child elements inherit the same transparency, which makes the text inside the fully transparent element hard to read. In contrast, in the solution section, rgba applies the transparency of the color to that particular element only, so that we can see clear text. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.